Alright, let's dive into the wonderful world of compact flowering shrubs perfect for small gardens. These little beauties are like the cherry on top of your garden sundae, adding pops of color, fragrance, and charm without taking up too much space. So grab your gardening gloves and let's explore 15 fabulous options that will make your small garden burst with life. 1. Sweet lilac. Picture this delicate clusters of purple, pink, or white flowers, releasing a sweet scent that fills your garden with joy. That's what you get with the sweet lilac, especially the compact Meyer variety. 2. Colorful azaleas are like the paintbrushes of the garden world, splashing vibrant shades of pink, red, purple, and white everywhere they go. And guess what? There are compact versions, like PJM, perfect for your cozy garden. 3. Wigala Wonder. Imagine tiny trumpets of pink goodness attracting fluttering butterflies and hummingbirds. That's what you get with the Wigala. Wine and Roses is a compact option that's sure to steal the show. 4. Cheerful Forsythia. Be the first on your block to announce spring's arrival with the bright yellow blooms of the Forsythia. Mini Gold stays small but packs a big punch of color. 5. Pretty spirea. Spiras are like little fairies dancing in your garden, showering you with delicate clusters of pink, white, or red flowers. Little Princess is a compact spirea that brings the party to your garden. 6. Hydrangea Happiness. Hydrangeas are the drama queens of the garden, flaunting their large, showy flowers in shades of blue, pink, or white. Pia is a compact variety that's perfect for your small garden stage. 7. Butterfly Buddy. Want to be the ultimate butterfly host? Plant a buddleia, also known as butterfly bush, and watch as these winged wonders flock to its fragrant blooms. Blue Chip is compact, but mighty in its butterfly-attracting powers. 8. Sunny Potentilla. Potentillas are like little rays of sunshine in your garden, with their bright yellow, orange, pink, or white flowers. Goldfinger is a compact variety that adds a touch of sunshine to any space. 9. Japanese Jewel. Japanese Pierres is the epitome of elegance, with its cascading clusters of white or pink flowers and evergreen foliage. Cavitine stays small but brings big beauty to your garden. 10. Fragrant Daphne. Daphnes are the perfumers of the garden world, releasing their sweet scent in late winter or early spring. Eternal Fragrance is a compact variety that's sure to make your garden smell heavenly. 11. Charming Viburnum. Viburnums are like the multitaskers of the garden, offering clusters of white or pink flowers in spring and berries in fall. Compactum is a compact variety that's big on charm. 12. Delightful Deutzias are the shy beauties of the garden, hiding clusters of white or pink flowers on their graceful branches. Nico is a compact variety that adds a touch of elegance to any garden. 13. Bluebeard Beauty. Caryopteris, also known as Bluebeard, is like a late summer party in your garden, with its clusters of blue or purple flowers. Sunshine Blue is a compact variety that shines bright with golden foliage. 14. Camellia Charm. Camellias are the southern belles of the garden, with their elegant blooms in shades of pink, red, or white. Yuletide is a compact variety that's sure to add a touch of charm to your garden. 15. Mock Orange Magic. Mock oranges are like a fragrant breeze in your garden, with their white flowers that smell like orange blossoms. Snowbell is a compact variety that brings a touch of magic to any space. So there you have it, 15 compact flowering shrubs that are perfect for small gardens. With their vibrant blooms, sweet scents, and easy maintenance, they're sure to bring a smile to your face every time you step into your garden. Happy planting!